Hello and welcome. In this video we will show you what BigBlueButton is and how it is used in our online Darakht-e Danesh classrooms. Let's get started. Darakht-e Danesh Academi is a project by Canadian women for women in Afghanistan to bring education to girls and women who currently do not have access even to basic schooling. Under this project, Canadian Women for Women is building DD Library, an online resource of free educational materials, DD Courses, online classes which may be accessed and completed by learners at any time or even offline, and DD Classroom, which provides live virtual classes for small groups of students and are moderated by a teacher at a scheduled time. DD Classroom will be hosted on the Darakht-e Danesh course site using a learning management system called Moodle and an online video conferencing program called BigBlueButton. In this video, we will take a quick look at what BigBlueButton is, how it works, and how you can use it to teach students online. What is BigBlueButton? A way for instructors, like you, to provide real-time online classes to students which can be accessed from the DD Courses site. It can be used to host regular scheduled classes, which can be up to 120 minutes per session, and have up to 50 users, teachers and students, per session. With BigBlueButton, you can record your classes so they can be re-watched by you or your students at any point following the class. All your course content will be stored in your classroom space on the DD Courses site using Moodle. How does BigBlueButton work? If you have a course you would like to teach or manage, you can use the DD Courses site to host your class, where you will be able to schedule live sessions for students to interact with their teachers and fellow learners using the suite of features offered through BigBlueButton. How can you use BigBlueButton to teach? Let's take a quick look at what features you can use to provide an interactive online classroom, manage your course and students, and offer options for the security of you and your students. BigBlueButton provides several options to boost interactions with your students during an online class, like being able to share your screen so learners can see the same information you are looking at, or go through a presentation with you. Breakout rooms to divide learners into small private groups for discussions or activities. A multi-user whiteboard, which would allow your learners to draw their responses on a board for the whole class to see. A fun polling option for short, live quizzes with results you can share with your learners immediately. Good quality audio with an option of muting and unmuting participants so that learners can talk to each other and the teacher. A chat function so learners can type in discussions, answers, and instructors can share links or other course materials. And reactions so your learners can show how they're feeling about the class or put up a hand if they need help. The benefit of using BigBlueButton on the DD Courses site are the management features like you can manage course enrollment and communicate with your students outside of class time. You can provide activities for your class to work on, including information they can download and read offline, as well as quizzes, links to sites, and videos to watch outside of class time. You can store a slide presentation on our site, open it, and share it during the class. Some of the security features that you will have access to on BigBlueButton include optional connection to webcams so that learners can see the instructors and other students if they wish, or the ability to turn this feature off to protect anonymity. Communications will happen through an encrypted channel, and it will be accessible only by invited users. Interested? Where to begin? Canadian Women for Women in Afghanistan is currently creating tailored step-by-step courses on how to teach online classes for instructors who are new to this technology. These courses will help you set up your classroom so that you feel comfortable managing and moderating a class online and can encourage a variety of interactions with your students. We will also be offering tutorials you can provide to your students so they are prepared to participate in your classes. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.